Happy morning, children. Today we will start with practice set 5.2, question number 7. A very interesting sum it is, and this type of sums are very important because in 10th standard also you are having these kind of examples. Now, the first statement of this word problem says the sum of the digits in a two digits number is 9. The number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the original number by 27. Find the two digit number. Now, first step is we should understand the meaning of digit. What is the meaning of digit? Examples of digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all examples of digits. And when we say 10, it is a two digit number. 11, two digit number. From 10 to 99, two digit numbers are there. From 100 to 999, three digit numbers. So now what they have said is the sum of the digits in a two digit number is 9. Now we will take example and we will see. If I am writing the number, say 45. Okay, 45 I am writing. Now 45 I am writing. 4 is a digit, 5 is a digit. I told you all. We use like this sentence, 10 digit mobile number, right? So like how you have in languages, English language alphabets, like that for us, digits, 4, 5, these are digits. 45 number formed by using these two digits, 4 and 5. Now 4 is a digit, 5 is a digit. Sum of the digits is 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. It's a two digit number. What is a two digit number? How it is? How do we write? The place of this digit 5 is units place. Place of this is tens. Tens place. So now the question is saying that you have to find. See, till here I read, find the two digit number. See here, find the two digit number. So how we will find the two digit number? We don't know the digits first. If you know the digits in the units place and the digit in the tens place, then quickly you can write a two digit number. So we don't know the digits. If you know the digits, you can write the number. So now the question is find the two digit number is there. So to start with, you should know the digit in the units place and the digit in the tens place. We don't know, so we are writing let the units place digits here. Let the units place digit in the original number be x. Let the tens place digit in the original number be y. This is what is given to you. So now, how we are saying like this? We are saying 45, right? 45 we are saying means what? When we are writing 45 in expanded form, how we will write? 4 digit into place, tens place, plus 5 into 1. 4 into 10 is 40. 5 ones are 5. So you get 45, right? Same way, as I said, we have taking the digit in the units place as x and digit in the tens place we are taking y. So how will the number be formed? The original number, how it will be formed? Digit in the units place is what? X. And digit in the tens place is y. So we will get 10 into y. Digit in the tens place is y. 10 into y. We are forming the number now. 10 into y plus digit in the units place is x into 1, which is equal to 10y plus x. Okay. So this is the original number because we are starting with the units place digit is x. Okay, till here I hope you are understanding. So now we will write here. So as a table is been prepared so that you can understand it better. For original number, digits in the tens place is y. Digit in the units place is x. So what is the number formed? Here I have explained you all. 10y plus x. So the number formed is 10y plus x. Now, sum of the digits means y plus x. These are digits. Sum means total. Y plus x. Till here you have understood. Now next. The next is, what is the next statement is the second condition. The number obtained by interchanging the digits. Now in this you have to interchange the digits also. Interchanging the digits means what? See here. Now 45 is given. So if I interchange, what will I get? Tens place, units place. If I interchange, what will happen? I have to write 5 in the tens place and 4 in the units place. So 45 will become 54. Correct? And how will the number be formed? Very simple. 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1. 5 to 10 is 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. Same way, now we are interchanging the digits. The number obtained by interchanging. Interchanging the digits means in the units place we will have y and in the tens place we will have x. So what will be the number formed? The number formed will be 10 into, in the tens place we are taking x. Okay, and in the units place we are taking y. So we will get like this when we are interchanging the digits is equal to 10x plus y. So we will write here number in digit in the tens place is x. We are interchanging it. Digit in the units place is y. So what will be the number formed? 10x plus y. And sum of the digits will be x plus y. That doesn't make a difference because y plus x, x plus y, one and the same. Now I hope you have understood how we have written this. Now we will start with the first statement is our first condition. The sum of the digits in a two-digit number is 9. What is given to you? Sum of the digits in the two-digit number is 9.